So hello children, we move on to part 5 of our lesson on mensuration for class 6. In my earlier part 4 video you will see I have given you idea of area. Actually area comes from by using graph. So that is a little difficult to teach in this way. So I am giving you the formula. So that exercise, this is 17.4, 17.3 you will see that. Okay, before this. So here just to recapitulate, we have area of rectangle as length into breadth. Okay, an area of a square when all sides equal is L square. So I was talking about in my first video about carpet area. So see, question 9 is about that. So I was telling, when you buy a house, notice how much carpet you put, how much carpet you can put in your different rooms, including your washroom and kitchen. So that is the carpet area, and that is what we should take into account for buying it. But generally in practical life they talk about super build up area. Question 9 is a very good question. We have a rectangular room. Okay, a room is 17 meter long, 17 meter long and 10 meter wide. So but I have a carpet of 10 meter only, 10 by 10 meters. So carpet is 10 and this is also 10. Means 17 minus 10, this distance is 7 meter and this is still 10 meters. So this place, so once more the room is 17 meter long and 10 meter broad or wide. So there is a carpet, you see, a square carpet of side 10 meter, 10 by 10. So what happens, we have to find the area of the floor which remains bare, uncovered. Okay, so how we do, children? This, if you see mentally, 7 tens are 70 it will be. But how we are going to show? Area of the room. Area of the room. Since it is a rectangle, we have length into breadth. 17 into 10, 170 meter square. Now area of carpet, it's a square. Area of carpet. Carpet is square in shape, is 10 into 10 meter square. So this is 100. So this area is 100 meter square and this full area together, children, is 170 meter square. 17 tens are. Okay. So this is 10 if you see. Okay. So this full thing is 17. So how much will remain vacant? We will see 170 minus 100, 70. So how we will find here last part? Area of the room is this, area of carpet is this. So when you subtract from area of the room, so see how a figure aids your understanding. I hope you can appreciate that. So children, wherever possible, whenever possible, always draw a diagram. So area left, I think if I use book language, bare or uncovered, it's not covered, this area, this is my carpet, uncovered is 170 minus 100, 70 meters square. This is minus, this is equal to. Okay, so kindly pause the video and copy. Very good application. So this I am telling you, this chapter I was telling you from beginning, it has a huge practical application. Each sum, each problem you will see, it touches some aspect and some area of our lives. So kindly take this chapter very seriously and kindly pause the video and copy. Then we will do few more interesting questions. Next we see, children, question number 11a. Here we see a big rectangle is given. A big rectangle is given in which these three particular windows are not shaded. Means we have to find area of shaded region. Okay, suppose you put walls on the walls of your house, but windows you have to let the air come. Okay, breeze come. So same way, what is the area of this shaded region? We have to find area of shaded region. Okay, now what we do, what is the total area? Total area, if I get and I subtract thrice the area of the square whose side is 2. So total area, children, is 10 into 8 centimeter square. 10 into 8, the big rectangle. The big rectangle we have is 10 into 8. 80 minus 3, and each square, children, is 2. Length square, 2 into 2, 2 square. Okay. So here we get 80 centimeter square minus 3 fours are 12. So each one is having area 4. 4 centimeter square, 4 centimeter square, 4 centimeter square, 12 centimeter square. If you subtract, you get 68 centimeter square. Please give the units. These are not numbers, children. Please give the units. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then I'll move on to another very interesting question. Is your 11 part C. So next we go to a very interesting question 9C, where all this, children, a figure is given, full shaded region is there. We have to find area of this. So actually just we will see this. If you see the book, all are 3 centimeter. Each one, these are all 3 centimeter by 3 centimeters. So each side you see, full thing we have 3 centimeter. Okay, this side, this side, this side, this side. Okay. Now, if you see this square, this one square 3 by 3, 9 centimeter square. Same way this is 9, same way this is 9, same way 3 square is 9. These are all 9 centimeter square. This is area, children. Okay, area of a square. Now last but not the least, see this one where I'll do shading like this, crisscross. This, if you see, okay, this is also a square. See whose side is, see this is 3, 3 means this is parallel to this is 3, and breadth is also 3. So this particular square, if I plot separately to aid your understanding, has this grid one, has length and breadth has 3 and 3 centimeter. So area of this is also 9 centimeter square. So total we have 9, 9, 9, 9 and another 9 here. Okay, so 9 5s are 45 centimeter square is the answer. But most important thing, how to write it in exam. So it's a little difficult to express yourself. So there are 4 square. So area of, so this is like a cross, okay, red cross like, area of 4 side squares. I told you it is difficult to express yourself. So this is 9 4s are 36 centimeter square. Then finally you do like this, area of the middle square, area of the middle or center, middle square you can take, or the center one, area of the middle square is also 3 square is 9 centimeter square. So therefore total area is 36. Okay, plus 9, 45 centimeters square. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we move on to another question. So next we move on to question number 12. So there is a rectangular field of land on which 4 rounds of wire has to be put. Okay, means 4 times perimeter, and the cost of 1 meter, this is 180 meter. So 1 meter is 6 rupees. So what is perimeter, children? So perimeter will be twice length plus breadth. Unit remains same as the distance. So 2 into, if we add, we get 270, 350, 450 meter. So we get 900 meter is 1 round of wire if you put. So 4 rounds of wire, length of 4 rounds of wire. Okay, 4 rounds of wire. 4 into 900. Okay, now total cost. This many meter, 1 meter cost rupees 6. So total cost, children, is rupees 6 into 3600. Okay, 3600 into 6. 9 3 is 18,000. Okay, we get, and 600 into 6 is 3,600. So if I add 18 plus 3, 21,600 rupees we have to spend. What I have done, if you see, 6 into 3,000, I have broken this as 3,000 plus 600. Okay, so 6 3s are 18, 3,000 into 6 is 18,000, and 6 into 600 is 3,600. You can do traditional method, children. Generally, my teachers were very good and I was taught mental maths very nicely. So generally traditional way I do, but when I do mentally, I use something like this and I get the answer, correct answer, children, without doing actually mentally. But we should not be overconfident, because sometimes we are human beings, we do make mistake in any method we do. Next, children, I go to my second last question, and it's a very interesting question, and we are trying to solve this. This is question number 15 and my second last of the book and second last of my video lesson. We have to find that there is a field, children, whose length is 52, breadth is 42. All around this field there is a path whose width is 1 meter. So this I have exaggerated a little bit. So we have to find the area of the path. Okay, now this question, before I solve, I remember 30 years back, somewhere 35 years, I was where you are today. And this question, I think I understood and I did in class 8 or 9. So imagine how things have changed. What I have done in 9, I see children doing in 6 and 7. Okay, 10 was okay when we did ICSC, so it's still more hard today. Okay, lot of thing what we did in 10 is in 9 today. So over last 35 years, lot of thing has changed. So this I remember, your class 6, my children. Okay, area of the path, here we go. Anyway, you have to do somehow or the other. You have to understand and do. You cannot say 30, 50, maybe 60 years back this was in class 10 or 12. Okay, when our parents or grandparents were there. So you cannot go back to history and claim that same thing should be there for us. Okay, here we go, area of the path. So what we do, area of the path, children, outer rectangle, try to understand, minus inner rectangle. Outer rectangle, if I subtract inner, I get the area of the path. So try to understand this, outer rectangle minus inner rectangle, you get the area of path. So what is area of path is equal to area of, okay, outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. Okay, so let us see. Outer rectangle, children, is very easy, 52 into 42. Okay, but inner one, I have not told you what will be length and breadth. So outer, 52, 1 here, 1 here. If you subtract 1 plus 1, 2, this becomes 50 meter. So the length of the inner one is 52 minus 1 you subtract here and 1 you subtract here, 50. Same way 42, you subtract 1 this side and you subtract 1 this side. So breadth of the inner rectangle is 40 meter and length is 50 meter. 42 minus 1 plus 1, 2. 40. So it is 50 into 40. So this is very easy, children. 5 4s are 20, 2000. And this if you multiply, I think you will get 2184. And if you subtract, you will get 184 meter square as the answer. Okay, so you can multiply 52 into 42. Okay, you multiply. Okay, I can teach you mental maths also over here. You can multiply with 50, 42, it becomes half, 2100, then 2s are. See how you can do mentally. See, 42 we multiply by 52. Bracket means into. This is 50 plus 2. So 42 into 50 and 42 into 2. So this will give you what, children, I'll tell you. 42 5s are, you can get 210. Very easy thing I'll tell you. 50 of 5 anywhere, children, is, remember, 100 by 2. So multiply by 100. You multiply 42 by 100 and whatever you get divide by 2. So you get 4200. Then divided by 2. Okay. So I get 2100 here. Or 42 5s are, 40 5s are 200, 2 5s are 10. Any way you do, children, mental maths, there are many ways of doing. We must add, not multiply. Okay, when you subtract, I think we'll get 184. So after this, we come to the last very interesting question of this particular exercise. So kindly pause the video and copy. So we come to the concluding question of this video lesson. What is given, children, here is perimeter of a rectangle is given, and it's saying the ratio of the length is to breadth is 5:3. So this should be 5 and this is 3. So ratio of length is to breadth is 5:3. So you multiply, and you will see when ratio multiplied with x, okay, it becomes a reality. So when you have a multiplying factor x, so 5:3 does not mean this is 5 and this is 3. This can be 50, this can be 30, this can be 15, this can be 9. Okay, ratio means simplest term. So we always multiply by x. Now let us see perimeter. We know the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. 2l plus b is 96. So let the length be 5x. Children, you can write, I am not writing. And breadth be 3x. Don't take 5 and 3. 5x and 3x. So what we get, length is 5x, breadth is 3x. So we will get x. What is a multiplying factor? So 8x, 96. So x is 2 8s are 16, goes down. I have taught you this in simple equation. I made, I think, 4 or 5 in fact video lesson on simple equation. See how maths is interconnected, children. X is 6. So what is my length, children? 5x will become 5 6 are 30. Okay, centimeter unit. And breadth is 3x. So it will become 3 because x is 6. We get 18 centimeter. So if you want to find the area, this is what the question is saying. Area is length into breadth. This is a rectangle. Length into breadth. So my previous videos were, other than part 1, 2, 3 were in perimeter of rectangle and square, and this is on area. So area is length into breadth. So 30 into 18 centimeter square. See, I always write the unit, children. This is how my teacher, and in our time, no, if you miss unit, you will lose 1 mark. Teachers were very strict. Okay, unit has to be there. Suddenly 540 cannot become 540 centimeters square, because we are talking about area over here. So with this we come to the end of this class and this lesson. So kindly pause the video and copy and try to revise any book you are using. Any book you are using, main thing is concept. You see the solved example of your book after seeing my video, then try to do unsolved example, and I hope and pray that you will be able to do 90% of those questions very easily. Thank you children for watching this video lesson.